How do we repair in a relationship? If we aren't able to stay in the present moment, it's going to be a long haul. We have to be able to stay present to ourselves, to what we're experiencing, sensing, and feeling, and to our partners. And we have to be able to stop our automatic reactivity and find tools. So some of the tools could include self-talk, like telling ourselves that we'll be okay, that we'll be able to work this out, even if we have to do it later. Or it could be taking the time to breathe and get centered. But whatever we do, it has to be focused on getting out of reactivity and into a calmer, wiser place. Our old childhood strategies, like fighting because we felt we had to protect ourselves, won't work for us. Those strategies worked back when we were kids, but we're adults now and we have to find new ways of relating. So after calming down, the first step might be asking our partner what they need or sharing how we felt and what was getting triggered. We can't do that unless we're calm and not reacting.